Hello everyone. In today's video I will be showing you how to delete your Google Play search history. Google Play, also branded as the Google Play Store and formerly Android Market, is a digital distribution service operated and developed by Google. This is how it's done. First of all, search through your phone for the Play Store application, and once you've reached it, press on it. Next, press on your profile in the upper right corner of your phone. Now search where it's written Settings and press on it. Press where it's written General and then press where it's written Account and Device Preferences. Locate where it's written Clear Device Search History and press on it, and then press on Clear History. Once it's done, all your recent searches should be deleted. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.